the spoilers will have her taped wide, but will he go for the back straight triplets he's been claiming all year?
It's time to rip off your front brake levers and bring them to the line.
The 2-minute sign is up, and will the big buck... Here goes down, Limbo.
Spring. 2-minute sign is up.
And the spoiler is still wide open.
He's depressing. And they're open into the first turn, and it looks like Bob spoiled its skid. And spoilers miraculously made the quarter.
My monitor showing spoilers got too much acceleration.
Truman flush with his 90 pounds of leather spiking cigarette. Come on, Bob!
Look at this so-called motocross. I should have stayed in Taiwan making smokeless ashtrays.
He's destined to hit the wall. $5, please.
Hey, shut that up, baby. Cheese dog up your ass.
It's true, and he's holding it wide.
He's got one up here.
He's barely hanging on.
He might just go to the triple. He's on the flat.
Ooh, what a brutal slam. His brain is literally flying through the air.
It's at it for the chance. And it just like a spectator in the DNF section.
If that wasn't the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen, I'll trade in my G-string and quit my night job as sports star takes the thriller. That's got to be the pudding in the pool of 125 novice behavior.
Yes, that pretty much bottoms out this episode of the Sewer Full Moon Motocross.